COE-GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, Exercise number 8A, Pandas. Before that, let's see what is Pandas. Pandas is a Python library. That Pandas is used to analyze data. It is very fast, powerful and flexible and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool. Inside the Panda, we will use one operation, that is a pipe. Pipe is a package management system written in Python used to install and manage software packages. And one more thing, that is a series. A Panda series is like a column in the table. Likewise, it will give the output. It is a one-dimensional array holding data of any type. Let's see the Pandas program. First, import Pandas as PD. The Pandas is usually imported under the alias of PD. Alias means you all know there is an alternate name for referring the same thing. So instead of Pandas, you can refer PD. Okay. So let's write the list is created and it is stored in the K variable. And the next that alias name, that is a pd.series of. Already I said what is series. Series is like a column in one table and it is a one-dimensional array which holding the data of any type. Okay, so series of K, that value will be passed here. Okay, after doing all this operation, it's stored in res variable. Then print res. See the output. Like the column wise, you get the output, right? That is 0, 1, 2 is index. Index always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2 is index value. And this list value is 369. Okay. Data type is integer. That is given. I hope you all understood what is Pandas and how to write a Pandas program. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 8A, implementing Pandas program. A, to write a Python program to implement Pandas. Algorithm. Step 1. First you want to install the Pandas module and check the version. If you didn't install properly, the program will not be executed. Error will come. Okay. So step 2, keyword import is used to get the Pandas package. Step 3, list is created. Step 4, list values are stored in K variable. Step 5, PD, that alias name pd.series of K. And step 6, series, print series, that column values will be printed. Step 7, stop the program. Let's see the program. Import Pandas as PD. We are doing Pandas program, so you want to import the package, that is a Pandas. My dataset is a variable which is equal to curly bracket, that is a dictionary. It indicates the dictionary. Inside the dictionary, keys and values will be present. So keys here is a cars and passing is a keys. Value, it can be any data type. Here we have taken the data type as a list data type. So PMW, Volvo and Ford. And passings is a 372. Okay, it is stored in my dataset variable. Next, my var is another one variable which is equal to, that alias name is PD, that is a PD dot data frame of. This is another one function. Okay, which is called to get the framed data. My dataset, the variable name is called here, and in the print statement we can call my var. Okay, side by side see the output. So index value is 0, 1, 2 and car, BMW, Volvo and Ford, passings are 372. Let's see this Pandas execution in Python. In the description box I have given how to install Python and how to install Pandas. You can refer that link. After install Python and Pandas, go to the start button, type cmd, command prompt, enter. You will get this black link window. Here you can check the Python. Type Python, enter. So Python is installed. We have entered into the Python. Okay, if you want to check the version, you can type py. Here this is a hyphen version. Here you will not get type exit off, then you will come out from the Python. Then you can check the version of the Python. py version, enter. Then you can get that Python 3.10.2. okay, after checking the version, you can do the program. Type Python, enter. Next, import pandas as PD, the alias name is given, enter. Then next, my data set, which is equal to curly bracket, open bracket, car, colon, the values of key is cars and value is BMW, and next Volvo, next Ford. After that, close the list, then comma, then passings that you want to mention within the quotes, single quotes or double quotes, you can take it. Passings, close the single quotes, colon, open the list, 3, 7, 2, the values I have given, then close the list and close the dictionary, curly bracket, then enter. Next, another one variable is created, which is equal to pd dot data frame. Here D and F wants to be in capital letter, then call my data set, then close, click enter, then print my var. Okay, then click enter. We got the output. See here, 0, 1, 2 is the index value and car is BMW, Volvo, Ford, and passings are 3, 7, 2. Likewise, in the column wise, you can get the data by using the Panda. I hope you all understood the concept of Pandas, how to execute all the programs in Pandas. Result of the program, thus the Python program to implement Pandas was written and executed successfully. Thank you all.